record. So, to achieve this noise, you have to do something like gargling. If you have water and you gargle it in your mouth, and you like, kind of like that, but make that O sort of shape in your mouth, so it's like, so you go, and get higher, and when you shift gears, you just go low again, so you go high then low, so and when you shift gears, when you shift gears, it's like kind of laughing as well at the same time. So it's that's about it. So the result should be something like this. And then you downshift, so from there